What? Oh no! Your car won't start. Hey, instead of dying, let's try this. Oh hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Do Kevin a favor, that's me. If you're watching this video and you like it, please give it a like. Also subscribe, and when you do that, click on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Being stranded is no laughing matter. Well, today's solution is brought to you by Foxpeed. It's the car jump starter, that's right. Alright then, so let's check out the difference between the Foxpeed battery jump starter and a competitor, the Hulkman Alpha 85 jump starter. Both have similar construction and power, but there are some noticeable differences that make the Foxpeed have an advantage. One of the first ones that I noticed is that the peak current of 2500 amperes is more than the competitor. Also, for all of the same features and accessibility, quality of construction, and price, the Foxpeed comes in at almost 1/3 of its competitor. Some definite advantages right there. It'll do an 8-liter gas engine and up to a 6.5-liter diesel engine. It has an LCD display so you can see the charge level, so you know how much charge you have remaining, so you know if you can still charge that battery of yours. It also charges other things. Oh, that's right. It's a quick-type power bank battery pack that has a Type-C port, USB-A ports, a built-in flashlight with 3 different modes, and that's right, it can start your car. I said it was the Foxpeed 2500 amp battery. Well, that's right. You're going to be supplied with 2500 amperes of power to get that battery of yours going if your car won't start. It has built-in short circuit protection. That's right, it'll actually monitor to make sure that you don't actually spark out. That is not something you want to do with cables clamped to your engine. And for your personal charging needs, whether it's a laptop, a phone, or a tablet, there is built-in technology to make sure that charging shuts down once your device reaches 100%. That's right. There is a fail-safe guarantee engineered right there in the power bank. You're also going to get a worry-free warranty. If you're not happy with it, contact Foxpeed. They will send you a refund, or if something happens and you just need a replacement, you'll get that too at lightning speed. So everything you need to jumpstart your car is right here in this little package. Super convenient. You can actually carry it just like that. This is something I'm going to keep in my car always. If it's not something I can use immediately, you always run into people that could use a helping hand, and chances are you're going to need to jump yourself before you know it. I wanted to point out something else that we were talking about briefly. A very useful feature, as you can see here, is this emergency beacon. You keep this by the side of the road, especially if you're somewhere at night. By pressing the power button on the top of your battery pack, you can actually get it to flash. Or just stay on and be a constant light. Hey! In addition to that, you get a readout, which we were showing before, but you can see right here we're at 91%. So you know how much charge remains. You can get multiple jumps out of this. It is easy to charge because the port to do so is right there. And turn off the light for a moment. You actually have 2 USB-A ports right there to plug in and charge your own devices, a phone, a tablet, a laptop. Just a super handy thing to have with you in your car, wherever you go, literally at all times. Hey look, I have a car that doesn't start. Everybody has a car like this. It's the car that got you through college. You have fond memories. You don't want to give it up, but you can't drive it anywhere. Know what I'm talking about? Well, that's okay. We're going to be able to jumpstart this car like that. There are just 4 easy steps to follow, as you can see here, and only 2 pieces of equipment. These mini jumper cables that are very easy to use, and the battery pack itself. Let's do it. All right. You've all seen mechanics do this. AAA, or when you take your car in, you connect to the battery first. Then you connect to the battery pack right there. All right. Next, you turn on the battery pack. You can see that we're at 100% right there. That's good. And now it's time to just turn on the car. That worked. All right, well, I'm gonna let this rev up a little bit. I'm gonna go take a nostalgia drive and pretend that I'm still in college and that everything's happy and easy and, well, you know the drill. Well, I would like to thank Foxpeed for sponsoring this video and sending us this very useful multifunctional tool that will not only jumpstart your car multiple times, but is a fast power bank charger for all of my devices and can be for all of yours as well. And what are you going to pay? Well, you click on the link in the description below and you will see that you can get a Foxpeed 2500 amp car starter power bank for only $79.99. And if you have Amazon Prime, well, that price drops down to $63.99. Well, that just about wraps it up. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin, reminding everyone out there to stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.